Hi, hello friends, it's Jalene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes, and today I have something new. I went ahead and picked up another subscription, something I hadn't picked up before. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm on the fence about it, but I saw someone else do it, and I decided to sign up here for the June box. So I'm going to share this box now. Okay, let's get to it. All right. Da 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 da. It is the Chic Beauty Box. It's a cute little pink box. It looks kind of chic, right? So I'm going to open it up here and we'll see. I'll let you guys get a good look with me too as we open it up here. So it comes with a card. It does tell what's in the box and the value of it. This is a bi-monthly subscription, so this is actually May and June. So I'm a little bit late with it, but looky. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out here is from Suma, and it is a hydro liner. I'm really excited about this. We could have gotten this color, or there was also a hot pink and orange color, which actually was really cool looking, but I'm kind of happy I got the black and white because it's probably more me. It comes with a liner brush, and it's a really good liner brush, so it's one of those really thin. So I'm kind of excited to try this and have some fun with it. I know there's lots of new eyeliner looks that are coming out and being popular right now, so maybe I can try something fun with that. So that's the first thing, and that is valued at, the liner is valued at $16. And I don't know, the brush isn't on here. I'm not sure if the brush comes with it. I'm thinking maybe the brush just comes with it. So anyway, that's the first item. The next item I'm pulling out is something I'm very familiar with and something that I love. And it's a highlighter by Ofra. In my opinion, Ofra makes some of the best highlighters out there. So let's open this up and see how pretty it is, because I know it's pretty. So, all right. Pretty thing. Okay. And there is what it looks like. I love it. So you can either go to, a certain color, or you can mix them. I usually just mix them, but when it's on a palette like this, but I love it. It's a full size, good amount. So I'm excited to use this. So there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is something I received in another beauty box. It's Beauty for Certain, and it is a liquid lipstick, and I got it in the color, let's see, I think I just got it in nude. I wish I would have gotten the rosy nude one. Number 26. Yeah. So it's a nude, but we'll see. I don't know. I don't know if I like the other color I got it in, was like a pinky color, and I really like that, but I'm not super a nude person. I like a little bit more pink to my colors. But so I may just put this in a giveaway because it's a great, I love this product. I just am not sure about the colors, so maybe someone out there would like that. Tell me, would you like that? Okay, and then the last but not least, we always get a palette, and this is from Cab Cosmetics, and it is day to night. So we're gonna have some day looks and we're gonna have some night looks, right? Okay, let's see what we got here. I have no idea what this looks like, so do I show it to you or do I peek first? Okay, I'll do it this way. Okay, there we go. Looks very neutral. I like it though. I like, you know how I like lighter colors. You guys, I don't do my eyeshadow like they say you're supposed to do it. I tend to do a lighter color almost on my whole lid and then the darker colors around it. So I do like to have light and dark in a palette. And that's kind of day to night too looks. But I like this. I like the pinks. There's some pinky purples and some really good neutrals. So that's a nice palette. So what do you think? So I do want to share my eyes. I have an issue and my eyes water a lot, so, but I am wearing green, a green look today, and like I said, my eyes have been watering, but I used the Natasha Denona palette. I love this, and I have been wanting to try green. I don't wear green. I just wear neutrals mostly, seriously, and pinks. But this, I used this palette, and I used this, and this. I used 4 different greens. And then I used this right here in my corners and my eyelid. So I'm really happy with this palette. I just want to share. Really like this palette. So sorry for the interruption. Maybe that was a commercial. Haha. So back to the Chic Beauty Box. What do you guys think? What do you think? I got the eyeshadow palette, the cool lippy. I got the Ofra highlighter, and I got the black and white eyeliner with the eyeliner brush. And I'm trying to think how much I paid for this box. I think it was under $30. It was like 22 or something like that. So anyway, there's that. Have you guys heard of Chic Beauty? Do you like the box? If you know much about it, is it one I should keep the subscription for? Or I don't know. I have too many subscriptions now, so I need to kind of decide if, like, which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to let go of. But I have shared quite a few here, and I've tried a lot of new ones just to see what they're about. So, like, because I do this channel, you guys know I'm kind of a beauty fanatic, addict, whatever. It's just something I love. Makes me happy. So my husband doesn't get it either, but you know, if it makes you happy and you can do it, then go for it. So that's what I do. So anyway, thank you for being here, and I will put a link for the Chic Beauty Box down below also, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, bye bye.